Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ifra, your computer teacher. Hope you students are fine and in good health. In my last lecture, we learned about some different storage media, some primary memory, in which we discuss about RAM, ROM, their capacities, their nature, their types, and some secondary devices which are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, and pen drives. So in my today's lecture, we have to do the practical of this chapter. The practical is using the internet collect pictures and information on some storage devices. Copy the text and pictures in an MS Word file, name the file as storage devices and save it on your desktop. So today's our practical is consist of two parts, in which firstly we have to collect information from pictures and information from internet, copy it into MS file, and second part is we have to name it and save the file on our desktop. So let's start it. Student, open your MS Word file first. So student, your MS Word file should be opened. As I tell you that our practical first part is to collect information and pictures from internet. So open your Google Chrome by this. Your Google Chrome screen will be open. We have to collect information about storage devices. So first collect the primary storage devices, which are RAM and ROM. So first we have to write the RAM. Click enter. Okay, again. Look student, our information is appeared. So we have to copy the information from this and paste it on the Word file which is mentioned in our practical. So let's start. Student, as you see that I select the part which I want to copy it, so you can drag it and select the part. Now we have to use the shortcut keys of copy, which is Control C. By pressing this Control C, then we have to open our Word document where we want to paste. So this is, student, you look that I already ready a header in which I write the chapter name. I give the heading of primary memories because we started first, and then RAM because we have to going to start with RAM. So that after selecting that and pressing Ctrl C, we have to paste it. So we press the key of press the shortcut key of paste, which is Ctrl V. So look student, our selected material is pasted in it. Similarly, we can also select the we can also copy paste the material related to RAM, ROM, hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, and pen drive also. Now we also have to insert the pictures, copy the picture. So again we go back to the Google Chrome. Look, there is already some features. By clicking images, we can get the images of RAM. So click the images. Look, by clicking this, already the pictures of RAMs appear. We want to copy it. So as we want to copy it, so what we should have to do, select and left click. Look, a menu, drop down menu appears in this. As we have to copy it, so select the copy image. Copy image, your Word document where you want to, and select it and paste option. Look, your picture is not pasted because sometime when we directly copy pasting through internet, some pictures not be inserted or copy pasted directly. So for easy convenience and better, it is good that first we save the picture. I tell you how to save it. Select your desired picture, left click, and there is an option of save image as. We have to select it, and then look, automatically in some files it is saved, and enter. Similarly, you can also save the pictures of ROM, CD-ROM, and other pictures also. Student, when you save all the pictures of storage devices, so it is important and first you save all the pictures, then you can insert easily one by one. So let's start. I tell you how to insert it. Go to insert option from menu bar. Look on this, a drop down menu appears. Select pictures. Where your pictures are downloaded, you have automatically that file open. Select the RAM picture and click enter. Click and enter. Look, automatically my RAM picture is inserted. You can also set the direction and place where you want to. You have to go to back to the home. Automatically my picture is inserted in left corner. If I want to insert it on the center, look, we can adjust it from this. And if look, so it is good that we should write it on this. So looks, this is the method in through which we can insert picture and we can copy paste the information. Look student, similarly by using the same method I prepared a document in which I write all the information of storage devices, ROM and their pictures also. When RAM-ROM ended, I'll give the heading of secondary memory, hard disk, its information, picture, CD-ROM and DVD. So after this, so student, when you write all the information and insert pictures, your document it is ready. So now we move to the second part of our practical, in which we have to name the document and save the document on the. So you can go to the file menu. There is an option of save. Click on save. Save as, where you want to save. I want to save on desktop. Look, and you have again a menu appear. You have to look file name. I want to give the name of storage devices. After writing the name,